Remember that scene in that one movie when the hero gets locked up by the evil king, but when the hero demands to know why he's been locked up, the king realizes he has no justified reason for doing so, and then politely lets him go. Yeah, neither does anyone else. Ever. Because that scenario is totally boring, yet totally just. And while those qualities make for a bad story, they make for excellent justice systems. The writ of habeas corpus is a cornerstone for the justice system here in America, as well as the modern world. Literally, habeas corpus means show me the body in Latin. Show me the body. The idea is that the police, or the fuzz, popo, coppers, blue men, the heat, can't just come and take you away without telling you why they're holding you. If you ever get arrested and detained, law enforcement has a legal obligation to tell you why they're doing so and what you're being charged with. And if they don't tell you within 72 hours of holding you what you're being charged with, you can file a petition of habeas corpus. Once you've done that, law enforcement then has to go to a judge and tell them why they're holding you and what they're going to charge you with, or else they have to let you go. Even then, if a judge finds the charges less than compelling, he or she can release you as well. It's a pretty nifty trick to keep someone from going on some egotistical power trip and locking up whomever they want for however long they want. And yes, whom is the grammatically correct word here. The problem is balancing freedom and security. With complete freedom, the government can't ensure complete security. And to ensure complete security, the government needs to be able to do whatever they want and jail whomever they think is dangerous. Most people fall somewhere in between when it comes to what they want. We want our freedoms, but we also want to feel safe. When people really start to panic is during wartime. When habeas corpus was first suspended, in other words, the government could just throw folks in jail and not tell them why, was under Abraham Lincoln during the Civil War. But that was just the first time. And everyone knows there's been a lot of changes since 9/11. And this includes laws of detainment. Since 9/11, the thought of someone being able to massacre hundreds of people has, for better or worse, made people less concerned with freedom and more concerned about security. Under various acts passed in the name of security, law officials can detain prisoners and not tell them why, or let them speak to a lawyer for anywhere from 90 days to 6 months, depending on the circumstances. Probably the grossest violation of this is the recent National Defense Authorization Act, which was signed into law by President Obama on December 31st, 2011. Section 1021 of this law grants the president and all future presidents the ability to detain anyone by the power of the military, including a US citizen. In other words, the president can virtually put anyone in prison for an indefinite amount of time without telling them why and without providing them a lawyer or a trial. That sounds a lot more like stuff from the movies rather than stuff from a boring yet just judicial system. But then again, everything's changed since 9/11. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching this Offprint video. Make sure to check out some of our other videos as well as our website, offprintmedia.com, where you can find current events and other explanation-based videos and articles, as well as subscribe to our bi-weekly email update, full of the week's most important happenings from around the globe in a way that you can not only rely on, but enjoy as well. Thanks for tuning in to Offprint Media.